Hey there! Today, we are going to explore how to turn your photos into Simpson-style images and videos. So, let's get started. Gourd is a fantastic app that allows you to transform your photos into various styles, including Simpson style. First, let's open the Fotor Gourd website and choose your photo from your gallery or take a new one. Then, select the Simpson style and cartoon category. The app will automatically convert your photo into a Simpson style image. You can click here to see the before and after. Once you're satisfied with your creation, you can download it to your device or share it with your friends. And you can also click here to animate your art into videos. See it? It will take your original photo and Simpson-style image here, and you just need to click the Generate button and wait for a while. Your Simpson-style video is finished. So funny, right? That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tutorials.